Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's class. Today, we are starting a new subject called Design and Analysis of Algorithm, usually called DAA. DAA. Many students think DAA is very difficult. Actually, it is one of the easiest subject. Then, if you understand the basic idea, then it is one of the easiest subject is DAA. So don't worry, I will explain every topic in simple way. So first of all, start with module 1, Introduction to Algorithm. In this class, we are discussing Introduction to Algorithm. Before the start in the section, let me ask you one question. A simple question. How do you make a tea? Then you make a tea. First start with boil water, then second add tea powder, then add sugar, then add milk, then serve. Okay, this have some steps. You notice one thing, we followed some steps. Boil water, add tea powder, add sugar, add milk and serve. Then without following the steps correctly, we cannot make a tea. Similarly, in this way, when solving a computer problem, we also follow a sequence of steps. The sequence of steps is called an algorithm. That sequence is called algorithm. Then we make a tea, then we followed some of steps. That means boil water, add tea powder, add sugar, add milk and serve. Then we followed some steps. This also following a sequence of steps. This sequence is called algorithm. So we move to the what is an algorithm. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure or set of instructions used to solve a problem or perform a task. That means algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem or a complete a task. Simply represent algorithm equal to step-by-step solution to a problem. We want to solve a problem, then we follow a step-by-step instruction or procedures. This is an algorithm. Then we move to the another example, another real life example. Suppose you want to withdraw some money from ATM. So they have some of the steps. Yes. Okay. What are the steps? Then first we insert ATM card. Then second enter PIN. Then select the withdraw option. Then enter the amount. Then collect the cash. Then remove the card. This contains 6 steps. This is an algorithm because everything happened in order. This is the one of the real-time examples of algorithm. Okay. Then we move to the some of the computer example. That means find the sum of two numbers. The problem is find the sum of two numbers. There are two numbers A and B. Then we want to find the sum of these two numbers. So what is algorithm? Algorithm is a finite sequence of well-defined instructions for solving a problem or accomplishing a specific task. Also a step-by-step procedure or set of the instructions used to solve a problem or perform a task. This have a problem. The problem is find the sum of two numbers. We make an algorithm. What do you mean algorithm? Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure. Then we want to write step-by-step procedure or set of instructions. So in the find the sum of two problem we want to write algorithm. So start with step 1, start. Then read two numbers A and B. Then step 3, sum equal to A plus B. Then fourth, display the sum. Then fifth, stop. This is the algorithm of problem, find the sum of two numbers. Okay. Move to the next topic. Characteristics of an algorithm. Every good algorithm should have some important properties. There are 5 characteristics. First one input, second one output, third one definiteness, fourth one finiteness, fifth one effectiveness. Then move to the first one, input. We know every algorithm accepts some input. An algorithm should accept 0 or more input. So we move to the addition algorithm problem. They have some input a equal to 5, b equal to 10. These are the input for the problem solving sum of the two numbers. Okay. Without this input, we cannot get output. So every algorithm accepts some input. Then move to the next characteristics, output. Every algorithm should produce at least one output. It should produce at least one output. So one of the problem, addition of the instructions, addition of two numbers. There are two input, 5 and 10. Then what is the output? Output is 15. Then this is simple. It should be produce at least one output. This is the second characteristics of algorithm. Then third one is definiteness. This means every instruction should be clear. Each step must be clear and unambiguous. Unambiguous means every step is clear and specific and easy to understand. So we have the one instructions, process the numbers. The instruction is process the numbers, because we don't know should we add them or subtract them or multiply them, divide them. We are already confused what we do. Then we have the another instructions, add a and b. So this is the unambiguous problem, because everyone know exactly what to do. This addition of 2a and b means add. Then process is addition. The process the numbers means ambiguous problem, and add a and b means unambiguous problem. So every algorithm must be definiteness. So this is the third characteristic of algorithm. Then fourth one is finiteness. Finiteness means algorithm should stop after some task. That means the algorithm must terminate after a finite number of steps. It must be have the end. Every algorithm must have the end. So imagine a Google map keeps showing route forever. Then it be useful? No, it's not be useful. So every algorithm must be end. This is the fourth characteristics. Then fifth one is effectiveness. The every step should be practical. Then each instruction should be simple and executable. So for example, multiple two numbers, then it is possible. So another example, travel to moon in 1 second. It's possible. No, it's not possible. It is impossible. So algorithm should contain only executable step. This is the fifth characteristics of algorithm, effectiveness. This is the characteristics of algorithm. First one is input, second one is output, third one is definiteness, fourth one is finiteness, fifth one is effectiveness. In simple trick, we easily remember IODEF. IODEF, input, output, definiteness, effectiveness, finiteness. Okay. Move to the next topic, importance of an algorithm. Why do we study algorithm? Because algorithm helps solve problem correctly. Before writing code, we first think about the solution. What is the solution? That solution become the algorithm. Then the importance of algorithm means easy problem solving, better programming, faster execution, easy debugging, easy maintenance. These are the importance of algorithm. That means helping solve problems systematically, then forms the basic basis of computer programming, then improve efficiency and performance, then make debugging and maintenance easier, then provide a clear solution before coding. This is the benefit include is this is the importance or benefits: easy problem solving and better programming, faster executing, easy debugging, easy maintenance. This is the importance of algorithm. For example, you are building a house, then will engineers start construction immediately? No, they first prepare a plan. In this, like, algorithm is like the blueprint and program is the building. We not immediately start with the construction. We prepare a plan. This, like, we not move to the first in programming. We prepare a algorithm. This is the one of the example. Then we move to the advantage of algorithm. Algorithm are easy to understand, independent of programming language, easy to modify, easy to detect mistake, useful for planning. This is the advantage of algorithm: easy to understand, independent of programming language, help in detecting logical errors, simplify the program development, easy to modify and maintain. Then the algorithm are as one of the disadvantages. That means the writing algorithm for very big problem, it take two times. Sometimes it become difficult to represent huge systems. There is no single standard format. This is the one of the disadvantage of algorithm. Writing algorithm for complex problems can be time consuming, then difficult to represent very large problem, then no standard format existing for writing algorithm. That means very big problem or a very complex problem is to take two time to writing algorithm, so it become difficult to represent huge system, and there is a no single standard format. This is the disadvantage of algorithm. Then when we design a algorithm, then we design an algorithm process, then they have some steps. There are 5 steps. First we understand the problem. What is the problem? Then second one, identify the input and output. What is the input and what are the solution of the problem? Then third one is design the solution of step. Write the steps. That means write the steps. Then fourth one is test the algorithm. Then fifth one in implement it programming languages. These steps are converted into programming languages. These are the algorithm design process. First one is understand the problem. Second one is identify the input and output. Third one is design the solution steps. Fourth one, test the algorithm. Fifth one is implement it in programming language. That means converted into program. Next one is one example of algorithm. The problem is find the largest of two numbers. First step is start, then read two numbers a and b. Then third step is if a greater than b, display a as largest. Then another one, fourth step is otherwise display b is largest. Then next step is stop. This is the another example of algorithm. Then move to the next important topic, algorithm and versus program. What is the difference between algorithm and program? Do you think the both are equal? No. Many students confuse these two. Algorithm is a plan and program is actual code. For example, algorithm is a recipe and program is food. This is a real-time example. Then move to the another example. Do you know algorithm is blueprint and program is house. Then algorithm is a plan and program is actual code. Then algorithm is a then what is the difference? Algorithm step by step solutions. Then program is actual code implementation. Algorithm is language independence and program is also language dependent. And then algorithm is easy to understand and program required to programming knowledge. Then used before the coding, that means algorithm, then executed by computer, that is program. This is the basic difference between algorithm and program. Then applications of algorithm, then we are so many in algorithm were used everywhere. For example, Google search, YouTube recommendations, Instagram feed, online shopping, banking, navigation, artificial intelligence, machine learning, every software use algorithm. This is the application of algorithm. Then we all move to the criteria of an algorithm. We already discussed about the characteristics of algorithm. These are also similar to criteria of algorithm. An algorithm must satisfy certain criteria to be considered correct and effective. Then first one is input, we already discussed, and second one is output, third one is definiteness, then fourth one is finiteness, then fifth one is effectiveness, then sixth one is correctness. The algorithm should produce the correct output for every valid input. For example, addition algorithm must always give the correct sum. There are two numbers a and b, then it must be have the correct output. Then that means correctness. Then efficiency means the algorithm should be minimum time and memory resources. It should be minimum time and memory resources. For example, a fastest sorting algorithm is more efficient than a slower one. This is the efficiency. These are the criteria of an algorithm. First one is input, second one is output, third one is definiteness, fourth one is finiteness, fifth one is effectiveness, sixth one is correctness, and seventh one is efficiency. Efficiency means algorithm should be minimum time and memory resources. Then the summary of criteria and also the description. The first one is input, that's a 0 or more input. Second one is output, produce 1 or more output. Then define step are clear and unambiguous. Finiteness means terminate after the finite steps. Effectiveness means the steps are simple and executable. We already discussed about that. Then last one is correctness, produce accurate result. Then efficiency, uses minimum time and memory resources. That is the criteria of the algorithm. Then in these sections we are already discussed about introduction to algorithm, then definitions and real-time examples, characteristics of algorithm, then importance, advantages and disadvantages, then algorithm design process, then algorithm versus program, applications and criteria of an algorithm. I hope all you understand very well. Thank you.